All right, good evening, everybody. Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Breaking Weather Center. We just have a severe thunderstorm warning has just got issued. This severe thunderstorm warning has got issued into around. Looks like we'll zoom into this runs effect at 6:30 this evening down here Eastern time for South Central Figure County and North Central St. Johns County, and just in Florida at 6:07, a severe thunderstorm is located near Barndale, or moving east at 40 miles per hour. So this storm could produce a hazard of 60 miles of wind gusts and penny-sized hail. So if you're on Palm Coast, Bigger Beach, Burn, Merced, or beach area, you need to be taking. This storm is capable of producing winds over 60, and tornado watch in effect at midnight. Remain for tornadoes. Tornadoes can spin up so severe thunderstorm pretty quickly, and this storm could have some weak rotation. So we could be getting another tornado warning with this later on. There's some shear there indicate we can get some more brief funnel clouds and more brief tornadoes with this. So this storm could have some weak rotation with it, and there's no hail with this. There is some potential of weak rotation. So if you're in St. John's area, you might want to be ready for the storm. It could produce some gusty winds and the possibility of some hail with this. It goes into effect into around 6:30. So there's a little bit of weak shear there, and we gotta have to watch the storm really closely because it has potentially some hail with this, and that could produce some maybe a brief tornado if it continues. Just got a few reports coming into the desk right now. We'll zoom into that. We got a report from a spotter coming in here now of some storm spotter reported a pea-sized hail and the County Road 250 near Deer, Burke area in Florida. So this is just telling me we can get some up-close storms with some hail this evening, but the damage and wind threat is going to become a concern with some kinks in the line. That's where we'll see some potentially of rotating storms. Now, this storm down here is giving me a little concern. 50%, 100% of this producing some hail with it. So, yeah, there could be some very large hail with some of these storms this evening, and that's why we're continuing to watch this. One little sail down here is capable of producing some hail. So, severe thunderstorm wind goes in effect into around 6:30. We'll continue to watch this. That'll be pushing on. Then we got a new sail out here that could produce warnings. We'll have to watch this one, and this one could have a little kink in the line. That's where we get weak wind shear starting to come together. So we'll be here through the evening, passing along any advisories that get issued. All right, we just had another severe thunderstorm warning, so we won't have to stay with this for a second. I knew that would come into central Levy County and central Florida, south central and in 6:45 at 6:15, a severe thunderstorm was located miles southwest of Flyersburg, or 21 miles southeast of Chifley, moving east at 50 miles an hour. So what we expect, 60 miles of wind gusts and any size hail. So this one mostly is going to be a hail threat. So let me pull up the velocity. Don't see that, but the hail really looks like that. Looks like good grief. Very large hail to storm. Pretty large hail with that one severe thunderstorm warning that goes into effect into looks like about 6:45. So this one is capable of producing the same very large hail. So we definitely need to be keeping an eye on that. I would definitely put this on the ticker so everybody can see what we got in place real quick. So hold on a second. Gotta go in here and just edit something for a second. Sorry, that didn't really work. So we would have to. So that goes in effect about 6, looks like 6:45. So we'll continue to keep you updated and break in as we need to this evening.